Hey, the average Joe here, doing way above average work with the software. I was asked this week to give somebody a project showing a kitchen exhaust or kitchen hood type project. So we're going to create that by coming to Wizard, going to the rooftop unit wizard. We're going to answer the questions. We want one rooftop unit. We want to show a space. We want to do heating, cooling. We will go with 100% outside air, not duct anything. So we'll go with the natural gas heating and then the package cooling. One supply fan, MERV of 8, we'll just keep that at the default. One zone, one space. The space will say we have 20,000 BTU heat loss, temperatures of 72 are fine. We'll say supply coming in the space will be 5,000 CFM for heating season and cooling. We won't do pressurization right now. We'll just keep it ASHRAE 62. Exhaust, we want exhaust, let's say 6,000 since we're supplying 5,000. We want to put an exhaust fan in there. We'll make that a cook fan. We'll make that an upblast, the ACRUB kitchen type hood there. We're done now with our rooftop unit. There's the airflow diagram. And then we have a little new fuel gas piping to help size the piping going to the burner there. So let's zoom in on this a little bit. So to now customize this, you'll see we're negative because we have 5,000 CFM coming in and 6,000 CFM being exhausted, and we want a kitchen to be exhausted. As soon as I come here to the space, I'm going to add an exhaust grill. As soon as I add one of those in a space, then it gives me the option to make that space kind of a larger space, right? I'll come over here. Let's go copy that little grill. And this could be like a hood. We're just assuming it's a grill or a hood. And now let's take that fan and copy, paste, have two fans. So we're gonna have like a dishwasher hood. This would be like a dishwasher hood, maybe in the space. You could even show it bigger if you wanted. This would be like a kitchen hood down in the space. And we could identify those either through coming right in the key data and just saying one's you just call it a hood. You'd be more specific if you want a dishwasher or kitchen hood. So now you have hood. So now we have 3,000 CFM on each one. So I can go in that hood and I can set the percentage 50%. So let's just say we want that hood to be 20% of that air. So now the hood's going to be 1,200 and my kitchen hoods, and I only did that for the one season. So let's go in the season there and let's do the same thing for the summer. That's why we had two different air flows showing on the diagram. So now 1,200 for the kitchen hood, make that a little bit bigger there, and for the exhaust hood of the kitchen, 4,800. So that equals 6,000 CFM. You'll see that the room is positive by 1,000 CFM, that little negative thing there as well. So anyway, that's how you can lay out and start showing equipment in a space. You can have, obviously I could come in here, and if I had more diffusers in that space, we come over here, copy and paste to have other grills in that space as well. So now you'll see there'll be two grills. Each one of those grills, let's just show the CFM on all those. Connector, size, airflow, CFM, 2,500, 5,000, 1,200. Anyway, that's just how you can quickly use our wizard, the rooftop unit system wizard, build the system, go in and add some diffusers and grills, call them hoods, and start annotating the drawing. Anyway, just a quick way to lay out a kitchen hood rooftop unit system. May I also add file open example. You can come in projects, laboratory, and you'll see here biolab project where I did the same thing, built an air handler on this with the airflow diagram. And then I created three spaces, transferred some air between them, added some exhaust, like valves, like a Phoenix valve, right? So they're again similar layout. Now I have schedules of all this equipment and can select some of that equipment as well. So hey, thanks for watching. What used to take me days and weeks, I now do in minutes and hours. Thanks again.